All right, lower belt replacement. You have a screw here and here, or self-tapping bolt, and you got your electric PTO clutch. Okay, so what you do, undo your pigtail here for your clutch, take the bolt out, and in theory the clutch should just drop straight down, and then this pulley should drop down beneath these guards here. We had to use this and about 15 minutes of fighting with hammers and pry bars and everything to get mine off, but it's off now. Put anti-seize on it before you put it back together. The belt also at this end, you have to remove your shifter cover so you can slip the belt over the transmission shifter. And your variable speed pulley has to come out down there in order to replace the lower belt. The upper belt is far easier. All you have to do is push this out of your way and basically flip the belt on. So, and I don't know why he's got those nuts welded on there, so don't ask.